Leadership at Efficiency Maine telling us today Mainers have installed so many heat pumps by now. They are in the stages of narrowly tailoring new incentives programs to reach Mainers who might not have had an opportunity previously.
Today, the Mills administration announced the latest program thanks to a $10 million grant from the federal government. The administration announced a new heat pump installation program targeting rural manufactured homes and mobile homes. At today's announcement, Mills said that means 675 more homes will get a pump, and the money will pay for expanded workforce training as well.
With this new support from the Biden administration and with additional federal support that we anticipate for Maine's home energy rebate program, I am confident we can achieve our clean energy goals and make a meaningful difference in the lives of Maine people.
All told, Efficiency Maine says Mainers in the program won't pay anything until their pump is installed, and then they won't pay more than $2,500 total paid out over time.